How to delete temporary files in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R and open Run. After you've opened Run, in there type in %temp%. After you've typed that in, press on Enter. It will open all your temporary files. Simply click on one and then press on Ctrl+A to select all the files. After that, right-click on it. Then you'll find these options pop up. Click on Delete. After you've pressed on Delete in here, everything will be deleted, which is your temporary files. Click on Continue and you're good to go. This is how to delete temporary files in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.